brand new Tesla Model Y. We're doing a bunch of things to this one. For starters, we're going to clearbra'd the entire car. Tinting everything, we're doing some interior center console wrapping as well. So the tinting is done on the Y. We're now getting started on a full car Model Y clearbra'd. So from bumper to the back bumper, the whole thing is going to be wrapped. Definitely recommend doing this when you first get the car as brand new because the paint is looking its best. You don't want to start doing it after you get some rock chips and scratches. And the cool things too is you can always do like the front portion and then work your way all the way to the back.
Oh, that's so cool.
It is very cool, Tom.
You can do that.
That's right.
It doesn't make sense. Why would you be able to do that? What if I wanted to start at the back and then go to the front?
Well, Tyler, you can do that. What if I told you that I can make your paint even glossier than the first day you got it? Introducing clearbra'd Alpha. No, but seriously guys, this paint looks amazing on the Y. So the whole car is protected with clearbra'd Alpha. Not only does it help with rock chips and scratches, it also gives you this immense deep shine that you guys see. All those metallic flakes in the paint, yeah, it's all coming out and you can see them so vividly, so vibrantly. It looks like glass. If you really care about your car's paint, definitely look into a paint protection film. Every window is also tinted with PhotoSync and Ceralux, so we didn't mix and match this time. PhotoSync 70 on the front windshield and the sunroof, so really clear for both of these. And then we went a little bit darker on the sides with Ceralux 33. Last but not least, we also wrapped the center console in brushed black. Really cool way to add a little bit of sophistication to the interior. Makes it look and feel a little bit more premium, so definitely recommend this. Since the clearbra'd that we use is clearbra'd Alpha, that means it's hydrophobic, so I want to showcase its hydrophobic properties. So we're gonna do a little water beading test. You can see how the water is just effortlessly sliding off the paint. So if you love washing your car, you're definitely gonna love this feature. And if you don't like washing your car, well, this is gonna make it a lot easier to clean.